Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that we are revising the syllabus of next revision test. As of now, we have discussed the diary of Anne Frank, Fire and Ice, and the proposal. So and also we have discussed letter for placing an order. Today we are going to discuss the thief story. So we will be discussing questions which have been asked in last 10 years question papers in the same way as we have been discussing for other chapters. So after going through the video, you must go through the this lesson thoroughly, and then practice all the questions, write answers to all the questions in your own words. So let's begin. First of all, I will show you the revision note on your screen, through which we will be going through then important questions and questions from last year's board examination will be shown on the screen. So let's begin. The Thief's Story by Ruskin Bond. Introduction. The Thief's Story by Ruskin Bond is about a 15-year-old boy, Hari Singh, whose life changes when he meets Anil, a 25-year-old writer. Anil's unspoken words and kind gesture Anil's unspoken words and kind gestures leave very positive imprints on Hari Singh, who is an artful thief. Summary. Hari Singh is the narrator of the story. He is an artful thief. One day, he met a young man of 25 named Anil at a wrestling match. He gave him an artificial smile. He decided to have an acquaintance with him in order to make him his next victim. Anil avoided him. Hari Singh followed him after the match was over. He asked Anil for work. Anil was ready to work for Anil if he could just feed him. Anil agreed to engage Hari Singh if he could cook food for both. The thief lied that he was a good cook, as Anil had to throw the bad meal prepared by Hari Singh to dogs on the first day. Anil took upon himself to teach him how to cook and read and how to write. The thief made the morning tea and bought the daily supplies. Anil was aware of the fact that Hari Singh made a profit from the purchase. Anil was not a rich man. He borrowed money sometimes, but repaid the loan whenever he earned money through his writings for magazines. The thief thought it a strange way of making money. One day, Anil sold a book to a publisher and brought home a bundle of notes. He put the money under his mattress. The thief had not stolen anything since a month of his working there. He had no desire to rob a careless person who trusted him blindly. However, he could not resist the temptation of getting the bundle of notes. The thief got up quietly when Anil had gone to sleep. He took the money and slipped out of the room. He had 600 rupees in his possession. He reached the railway station just the Lucknow Express was picking up speed. He could have boarded it, but something held him back. The train was soon out of the sight. Hari Singh was left alone on the platform. He was in a dilemma where to go. He had no acquaintance there. He did not like to go to a hotel lest he should be suspected. The thief thought that Anil would be sad, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of the trust he had uh, reposed on him. It was a cold night. It was drizzling when he went to the Maidan and sat down on a bench. His clothes got drenched. He went back to the bazaar. There he took shelter under the clock tower. It was midnight. He thought and realized that he had let go chance of being a respectable man. Anil was thinking pains to teach him reading and writing. He decided to go back to Anil and reached his home. Anil was still asleep. He slipped the money at its usual place. He slept till late hours. Anil had made tea before Hari Singh woke up. Anil offered him a 50 rupee note. He also promised him to pay him regularly. The note was still wet. Anil understood everything, but he did not expose the thief's doing. Instead, Anil said that they would start writing sentences that day. Hari Singh felt guilty and smiled. Hari Singh felt guilty and smiled shamefully, smiled, shamefully should be here the proper word. It's all about the summary of the lesson. Now we are going to go through the questions which have been asked in last year's question papers as well as in board examination, and questions which are important, which are expected to be asked. So let's begin. First of all, extract based questions of 3 marks each. Read the following extracts carefully and answer the questions that follow. You look a bit of a rester yourself. I said, a little flattery helps in making friends. Question A. Who was the speaker? Who was he trying to flatter? So Hari Singh was the speaker and he was trying to flatter Anil. Why did the speaker want to be friends with the listener? The speaker wanted to be friends with the listener because he wanted to rob him after gaining his trust. What is the opposite of friends? That is enemies, we all know. Now, question number 2. It has been asked in CBSE examination 2013. Well, it's time I did some real work. I told myself, I'm out of practice. What real work is the speaker talking about? So the real work in the extract refers to stealing, as Hari Singh was a thief. Why does the speaker say, I'm out of practice? So the speaker says so because he is a thief and he has not robbed anyone recently. What does the speaker give the synonym of practice? So habit is the synonym of practice. What part of speech is the word real? So we all know it's an adjective. Question number 3. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends. Question A. Why was the speaker standing alone on the platform? So the speaker was standing alone on the platform because a train had just left. Lucknow Express had just left. This question has also been asked in CBSE examination 2014. Why did he not have any friends? The speaker did not have any friends because he thought that friends were more trouble than help. Which word in the extract is an antonym of the word crowded? So the word deserted. What does deserted mean? It means empty. Now question number 4. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. So who is he in the extract? What did he know? So he refers to Anil in the extract and he knew about the theft of his money. Why did he not show anything? Anil did not show anything because he was understanding and Hari Singh's return gave him the hope of a change in him. Which word in the extract means the same as reveal? Showed means the same as reveal. What is the antonym of showed? So that is hide. Short answer type questions of 2 marks. Why did Hari Singh approach Anil? Hari Singh was a thief who had not much luck in his work recently. So he approached Anil with the intention of robbing him, as he seemed to be an easygoing and simple man. According to Hari, winning Anil's confidence was an easy task. Question number 2. Anil walked away. I followed casually. Who do you think the narrator followed Anil? Why do you think the narrator followed Anil? So, the narrator's purpose of robbing Anil had not yet been served. He followed Anil to gain his trust and look for an opportunity that may help him give shape to his plans. Question number 3. Was Hari Singh successful in robbing Anil? Was Anil the only one who was robbed, or did Hari Singh also rob himself of something? Yes, Hari Singh was successful in robbing Anil, but Anil was not the only one who was robbed at that time. Hari had robbed himself as well. He had lost the chance of receiving education and being literate. He had robbed Anil monetarily, but he had robbed himself of the chance for a better and brighter future, which was much more valuable. Question number 4. What did Anil and Hari agree upon to be the mode of payment? It has also been asked in CBSE 2015. When Anil stated his inability to pay Hari, Anil questioned Hari if he could feed Hari. Hari realized that he had misjudged his target and moduled the situation for his benefit. Anil then agreed to feed him if he knew how to cook. Question number 5. What made Hari Singh go back to Anil's house? Hari Singh realized the importance of education he was receiving from Anil. He knew that learning how to read and write and being a literate person would open doors to many opportunities. He was sure that he would then be able to earn more than a few hundred rupees he had in hand at that time. This made him go back to Anil. Question number 6 has also been asked in CBSE 2014. Did Hari like working for Anil? Give reasons to support your answer. Yes, Hari liked working for Anil. He was happy to carry on the chorus for Anil and was grateful for the education he was receiving. He used to make profit of about a rupee a day as well. It was which was a decent amount besides being fed. Question number 7. Why was it difficult for Hari to rob Anil? It was difficult for Hari to rob Anil because Anil was the most trusting person Hari had never met. He was really simple and kind. Hari knew that loss of money will not affect Anil, but the loss of trust will make him sad. Question number 8. State the events that took place on the night of the theft. It has been asked in CBSE 2016. The night of robbery was the night of robbery. It's misprinting here. The night of robbery was quite eventful for Hari Singh. The night of robbery was, it should be was here, was quite eventful for Hari Singh. After stealing Anil's money and leaving Anil's house, Hari went to the railway station but didn't board the train to Lucknow. He walked slowly through the bazaar. As he did not know, it should be not here, misprinting once again. As he did not know anyone who would provide him shelter except Anil. For he didn't have any friends. He was forced to take shelter under the clock tower. Later, when it started raining heavily, so that is where he realized the importance of education and decided to go back to Anil. Question number 9. How was the morning after the night of the theft? The morning after the night of the theft was just like a normal one. Hari woke up late and Anil had made tea by then. Anil gave a 50 rupee note to Hari and told him that he will now be paid regularly. Hari was aware that Anil knew about the theft, but he didn't show anything. How do you think Anil may have come to know about the theft? Anil may have come to know about the theft because of the dampness of the notes because of rain. He was a kind but wise man. It wouldn't had been difficult for Anil, it's again misprinting, to make out the series of events that would have taken place in the night. Question number 11 has also been asked in CBSE examination 2012. Anil had really forgiven Hari Singh. Support your answer with evidence. Yes, Anil had forgiven Hari Singh. It is evidented because Anil handed over to Hari Singh a 50 rupee note as soon as Hari woke up, though he knew that Hari had robbed the money at first, but his subsequent actions gave him hope of change in Hari's character. So now let us discuss long answer type questions, value based. Earlier they were of 8 marks, but from this year they will be for 5 marks. Money can't make a man as much as education can. Elucidate the statement. The statement stands true in almost all the aspects of life. Money may buy us all the luxuries and fulfill our needs, but it cannot buy us knowledge, civilized thinking, skills, and abilities to achieve our dreams. Education lays the platform for all to act upon our goal according to our abilities. Education enables us to keep up with the fast moving world. It opens the door to opportunities we do not know even exist. Money, on the other hand, can assist us to certain level. It can buy us a plan, but education gives us the knowledge of execution. Just as the story, a thief's story, Hari Singh prioritized the chance of being literate over a few hundred rupees. We must understand that education can help us to achieve whatever we desire. Question number 2. Hari Singh didn't board the express and return to Anil. It's misprinting, it should be N here. Why did he return? On what values does this incident put light on? This is also a very important question, dear students. Hari Singh was a thief and he had stolen Anil's money. After the theft, he realized that he had robbed not only Anil but also himself of the chance of being literate and having a bright future. So Hari Singh was a thief and he had stolen Anil's money. After the theft, he realized that he had robbed not only Anil but also himself of the chance of being literate and having a bright future. His conscience pricked him to think what all he could have got had he not done this. It was difficult for him to rob Anil, but it was tougher for him not to back. He realized that he could not make tea, buy daily supplies, and learn how to read and write then. His inner self did not agree to bypass this and forced him to return. Hari's return to Anil shows that despite indulging in criminal acts, he still had a practical and positive attitude towards life. It is the awakening of Hari Singh's conscience and Anil's love and care that reformed Hari's character. It teaches us that love alone can change a person. Anil's understanding, nature, and care changed Hari's thinking to mend his ways for good. So it's all about this lesson, dear students, in which we have discussed short summary of the lesson, important questions which have been asked in CBSE examinations and their answers. Now it's your time. You will have to note down all the questions and rewrite answers to all the questions in your own words. Thus, through this question answer method, we are also revising the whole lesson. But before writing down the question and their answers, you should go through the chapter once again. So thank you for watching this video. See you tomorrow with a new topic.